Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy XLM on Coinbase app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the search option and type XLM and search for it. Then here you can find the pairs of XLM, which is USDT, BTC, USDC and Euro. Now tap onto one of them that you want to buy, just like this. After that, here you can find the option of buy right here. Now tap on it. Now add the given additional informations and you can simply tap on to preview buy order. After that, you can simply buy the XLM. And that's it. This is how you can buy XLM on Coinbase app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.